right now. At this exact moment, your smartphone is doing something to your brain that no one warned you about. It is not just stealing your time, it is not just wasting your evenings, it is physically dismantling the neural architecture required for you to do great work. It is rewiring your prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for deep thinking, creativity, and long-term decisions, into something shallow, reactive, fragmented. And the most dangerous part, you don't feel it happening. You feel normal, but normal today means you've already lost something irreplaceable: your ability to concentrate deeply, to think originally, to build real mental strength. Every ping, every buzz, every notification is a strike against your cognitive sovereignty. If you don't stop this now, your best ideas will never be created. When was the last time you sat with one hard problem for 2 uninterrupted hours? No distractions, no switching, just pure focus. For most people, that moment hasn't happened in years. When was the last time you sat with one hard problem for 2 uninterrupted hours? No distractions, no switching, just pure focus. For most people, that moment hasn't happened in years. Your brain follows one rule: use it or lose it. Every interruption weakens your ability to think deeply. Over time, shallow thinking becomes your default. Dopamine is not about pleasure, it's about anticipation. Your brain doesn't react to messages, it reacts to the possibility of them. That's why your phone feels irresistible. Here's the truth most people ignore. Your phone doesn't have to be on to destroy your focus. Its mere presence reduces your cognitive capacity. Put your phone in another room, sit down, focus, work. Because your best thinking has always been inside you. You just have to stop letting a 6-inch screen make all the noise.